So hi all, my name's Aryan Kochar. I'm 17 years old from India and I'm currently studying in Georgia as a boarding student. I'm extremely grateful for this opportunity to present my research on the environmental and sustainable application of fungi, working alongside my mentor, Julia Harrison. So during my presentation, I'm going to be covering the various types of application which are involved in fungal technology. So what is my research project about? This project aims to explore how fungal technology can revolutionize the sustainability efforts across various sectors, with climate change, pollution, and environmental degradation becoming pressing global concerns. Fungi offer eco-friendly solutions that can help mitigate many of these issues. Through this presentation, I'll be discussing how fungi functions in ecosystem, agriculture, industrial production, and pollution control, and finally show how they can be exploited in future technologies to enhance sustainability. So for the first application is how fungi can be used in an ecological setting. Fungi are fundamental to the ecological balance. One of their most important functions is decomposition, where they break down dead organic matter, releasing vital nutrients back into the soil. This not only enriches soil fertility, but this also ensures the continuation of nutrient cycles that are crucial for ecosystem stability. Additionally, fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants through mycorrhizal networks. These relationships improve nutrient uptake, making fungi indispensable for sustainable agricultural practices. Through these interactions, fungi enhance soil structure, fertility, ensure land remains productive without need for harmful chemical fertilizers. Under this topic, I also studied the agriculture benefits of fungi. How fungi have offered significant benefits by acting as natural biopesticides, which help control pests without restoring to synthetic chemicals that can harm the environment. By improving soil health, by aiding plant growth, fungi contribute to higher crop yields and reduce the need for artificial inputs, leading to more sustainable farming practices. So, what is fungi's application in material production? Fungi are also gaining attention in the industrial application. For example, the production of mycelium-based leather offers a sustainable alternative to traditional leather manufacturing, which is resource intensive and environmentally damaged, and reduces environmental damage. Fungal leather can be produced with fewer resources and without harmful chemicals, making it an eco-friendly option. Furthermore, fungi are explored for biodegradable packaging. Using fungal mycelium, sustainable packaging materials can be grown in controlled environments. These materials are not only compostable, but they are also reusable, making them ideal replacement for plastic-based packaging systems. These industrial uses for fungi help represent a major shift into a more circular economy principles, where products are designed to be reused, recycled, significantly reducing waste and environmental issues. What is the biodegradation and bioremediation of fungi? One of the most exciting uses of fungi is in the process of bioremediation. Fungi have the ability to break down pollutants, including plastics and toxic metals, which are major contributors to the environmental degradation. Through the process of microremediation, fungi can help clean up polluted water bodies, detoxify industrial waste, and degrade hazardous compounds. For instance, fungi are capable of breaking down plastic pollutants into smaller, simple compounds, reducing harmful effects of plastic waste on the environment. Fungi perform this application by the production of enzymes, which help detoxify certain metallic compounds in water bodies, which makes them incredibly useful in cleaning up industrial contamination. This makes fungi not only a vital option in pollution management, but also a key player in the broader environmental cleanup efforts needed to combat global pollution challenges. As we can see, the data which is provided was conducted by a scientist, which I communicated, who was performing research on how various funguses have the ability to hydrolyze various different types of polymers and the type of environment. Organic industrial waste degradation. So in waste management, fungi can degrade organic waste and even some forms of industrial waste. This process is known as bioconversion, which allows complex waste products to be transformed into nutrient-rich byproducts. For instance, fungi can break down hazardous chemicals such as PCP into less toxic compounds through chemical reactions. Fungi's ability to degrade industrial waste is particularly useful in industries like textiles and tannery, where large amounts of waste are produced. Scientists are currently exploring how fungal enzymes can be harnessed to target and break down these waste products, helping industries reduce their environmental footprint. What are some challenges and the future direction of fungal technology? While fungal technology offers numerous advantages, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed. One of the major challenges is understanding the complex biology of fungi, including their metabolic pathways and genetic regulation. Without deeper knowledge in these areas, it can be difficult to fully replicate fungi's natural abilities and and implement them in an industrial setting. Another challenge is scalability. Although fungi have been proven effective in small-scale applications, scaling these processes up for industrial use remain difficult due to the cost and technical requirements involved. However, the future potential of fungi technology is vast. Researchers are exploring fungi in application in biofuel production, which could reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, as well as pharmaceutical innovations, including the development of new antibiotics and cancer treatments. In conclusion, fungal technology offers an efficient and sustainable solution for addressing environmental challenges while benefiting various industries. Fungi's role in agriculture, industrial material production, pollution control, and waste degradation highlights its broad applicability. As we look towards the future, fungal technologies can further be exploited for a wide range of innovations, from biofuels to medicines and environmental remediation, where fungi hold the potential to reshape how we approach sustainability. By investing in further research and scaling up its use, we can harness the full power of fungi to drive global efforts towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Thank you for your attention. If you would like to learn more about fungi, you could view my article, which is published on Google Scholar and Project Academy. Thank you.
Great job. Thank you. So what was the most surprising thing that you learned from your research?
One of the most surprising things is that how such a minute structure such as fungi, which is developed millions of years ago, can be used in various applications which can cause benefits, and how researchers have studied these structures to be applicable in different various industries, which can cause more sustainability as well as if more efficient production of various interventions.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a ton of different applications for it. And what had initially interested you in this topic?
So this was during one of my biology classes. Our teacher had showed us a Netflix series about fungi. It was like a documentary which described fungi's uses and how it's not like a major topic which is being studied. So this intrigued me into wanting me to know more about fungi. And before this project, I was researching about the engineering of fungi and how different type of bioreactor designs are used in the creation of fungi. So from there, I think my interest developed wanting me to create a research about how fungi can be used in a sustainable manner and help benefit our future generation.
That's great. We have another question. Okay, through your research, was there one application you thought fungi could be best used for the widest benefit?
I think under organic and industrial waste degradation, we know that many industries which are tend to produce a variety of toxic pollutants in water bodies, which can impact the aquatic system and mammalians which are present inside the water. So on my research paper, I've conducted a lot of case studies as well as found case studies on the internet, which showed how different type of fungi are incorporated in these water bodies, and how using their properties and specialized functions they help degrade these natural compounds into compounds which reduce environmental pollution. So I think that was the main application of fungi in the reduction of environmental problems.